This is a Mansfield brand toilet. Lately, it's been very difficult to press down the flush lever. This can easily be fixed by replacing the flush valve seal. This is a 210-211 valve seal that I purchased at a local hardware store. This seal will fit a Mansfield brand toilet. Begin by removing the lid from the tank. Then find the water valve that feeds the toilet and shut it off by turning it clockwise. Here's the location of the flush valve seal inside the tank. The seal is a red ring that sits beneath the flush valve float. With the water off, drain the tank by lifting the flush valve float in this manner. Then detach the refill tube by unscrewing the connector from the water line. Remove the flush valve float by lifting it straight up. The trip lever can also be withdrawn from the float as well when lifting it out. With the float removed, the flush valve seal is now exposed. With your fingers, grip the edge of the red seal and pull it from the valve body in this manner. Here's a close-up of the groove where the seal was seated. Next, remove the new seal from its package. Here's a comparison of the new seal versus the old. Notice how the old seal is deformed from years of molding itself to the flush valve body. This causes the float to stick as it encases the deformed seal. Take the new seal and drop it over the water line. Then work the seal into the groove of the flush body using your fingertips as you move around its perimeter. Then return the flush valve float over the water line, sending the trip lever back through its loop. Next, return the refill tube to the water line by threading it back into place. Now turn the water valve on and allow the tank to refill. Once filled, listen for any leaks. Leaking is a sign that the seal isn't fully seated in its groove and may need further manipulation. Next, test the function of the flush handle. It should be very easy to push. And finally, return the tank lid to its original position. The toilet is now ready for use.